बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम, अस्सलामुअलैकुम। जी, मैं अपनी एक और नई वीडियो के साथ आपकी खिदमत में हाज़िर हूँ। इस वीडियो में जो जॉब्स मैं शेयर करूँगी वो वाली जॉब्स आई थी डॉन संडे 22 सितंबर 2024 के अखबार में। टीचर्स की वैकेंसीज है। सादिक़ैन ग्रामर स्कूल रिक्वायर्स द सर्विसेज ऑफ trained teacher for the following: female Montessori directress and assistants, female teachers for English, mathematics, social studies for junior 1 to 7, regular female male teachers for physics, computer studies, mathematics for metric system 8M XM, regular female/male teacher for Pakistan Studies Metric System XM and O Level XO, female computer lab assistant, sports teacher and swimming teacher for junior and senior level. Walk-in interview along with CV from Monday to Friday between 9 AM to 12 PM. Address Street 6 Block 2 Gulistane Johar Karachi 021 340144690 021 340144690. A Cambridge System School in North Nazimabad Block B is looking for following female teachers: number 1 math classes 4 to 8, number 2 class 1 home teacher. Eligibility: good command on the subjects with a calm and warm teaching style who would make the subjects easy and enjoyable for children. WhatsApp your CV to 033310064310 033310064310. Looking for the following teacher/staff in a reputed school in Defence Phase 8. As we expand, we will value experience in reputed schools and degrees from foreign and local universities. Section head: O level, middle and junior section computer science teachers, O level English literature teacher, O level English language teacher, front desk officer, class 2 teacher, school nurse. Please send your CV to teacherhire47@gmail.com. teacherhire47@gmail.com. A renowned school is seeking an experienced principal and teacher for its campuses in Johar, Korangi and Malir. Email hr@whgs.edu.pk. WhatsApp 0349466737 0349466737 0310001693 0310001693. An English medium school requires qualified and experienced female science teachers for 3rd to 8 Cambridge System classes and English and Pakistan Studies teachers, male/female, for 9 and 10 Metric System classes, and also requires male/female PTI English fluent and computer skilled. Candidates are preferable. Contact Bright Career School, A for Apple/125 126 Samanabad area, 36/B Landhi number 4 Karachi. Email bcscampus1@gmail.com. Phone number 0213503310 0213503310 and 0213504134 0213504134. Cell and WhatsApp number 0328 2951656 0328 2951656. Experienced female teachers required: art, science, math, social studies, Urdu, Islamia to primary classes to class 6. All Saints School, D for Doctor, 139 Block 7 Gulshan 03333721 03333721 Karachi Public High School requires well experienced and trained Montessori teachers and also teachers of English and computer studies. ब्रैकेट में लिखा हुआ है O level and metric for secondary classes. Candidates having good spoken and written English will be entertained only. Email CV to Karachi Public High School @gmail.com or walk-in interview between 9 and 1 at D for Doctor 31 Block L, North Nazimabad. Contact 0213664618 0213664618 021366784669 Ramin Primary Secondary School, Zaman Town, Korangi number 4 requires Korangi number 4 requires 5 years experienced principal in the field, only female. Salary 80,000. Interested candidates send their CV to 03161120 34003161120 on WhatsApp. Required English, Physics, Maths, Computer teachers for secondary classes and Montessori trained teachers. Contact 0323 348 3833 0323 348 3833. Teachers required for regular and online tuitions. Teachers may send their CV on WhatsApp. City Tuition 032047333143 032047333143. The educators, North Nazimabad Campus 2, urgently requires female teachers for primary and secondary English, Mathematics, Physics, Sindhi, Montessori and Army Navy retired PT teacher with 3 years experience. 0213664038 0213664038 and 0213662742 0213662742 and 0348 2622 800 0348 The Educator Safai Am Advanced Campus requires teachers for biology, chemistry, physics, maths, computer, English, Urdu, PST, Sindhi also required. Primary and preschool teachers. Bring CV at the Educator Safai Am Advanced Campus, bracket में लिखा हुआ opposite Rafai Am Park, bracket close, Malir Halt. Contact 0335103919 0335103919. Email educators.rai_seniorwing@yahoo.com educators.rai_seniorwing@yahoo.com. The Smart School DHA Phase 1 campus is hiring for the following positions: coordinator for lower secondary section, minimum 2 years of experience in a similar position at a reputable school; administrator, minimum 3 years of relevant experience in a reputable school. Teachers for the following subjects: physics, Urdu, computer/IT, expert, Montessori directors. Positions, benefits, attractive salary package will be offered based on experience, subject knowledge and interpersonal skills. Only female staff. Contact information WhatsApp 03312076 03312076 and 0300 2528579 0300 2528579. Email thesmartschools03071@gmail.com thesmartschools03071@gmail.com. रिसेप्शनिस्ट की जॉब है, लेडी रिसेप्शनिस्ट कम PA. वी आर सीकिंग अ मैच्योर लेडी फॉर आवर ऑफिस इन DHA 5 Karachi. द कैंडिडेट शुड बी केपेबल और ऑफ efficiently managing all front office tasks and must have good English communication skills. Please send your CV to perfectjobs101gmail.com perfectjobs101gmail.com. अच्छा जी, ये भी जो है वो डॉन की जॉब से 22 सितंबर की. द बेगम नुसरत भुट्टो विमेन यूनिवर्सिटी सखर टीचिंग वैकेंसीज. Applications are invited from qualified candidates domiciled in the province of Sindh for recruitment of the following faculty positions purely on contract in the relevant pay scales and disciplines as shown against each at the Begum Nusrat Bhutto Women University at Sakhar. All the appointments will be made on contract basis initially for the period of 2 years subject to satisfactory performance. The contract period can be revived for another period with mutual consent during the scheme period. The female candidates possessing required eligibility criteria are encouraged and will be given preference. The services of these appointees would likely be continued/confirmed in future subject to creation of relevant vacancies on regular establishment at the Begum Nusrat Bhutto Women University at Sakhar, which shall be contributory pension service. Serial number 1, name of post, discipline, pay scale, subject/department. Teaching vacancies: number 1, associate professor, BPS 20. Education: Islamic/Arabic studies, computer science, physiotherapy. Number 2, assistant professor, BPS 19. Education: English, Islamic studies, business administration, chemistry, biotechnology, computer science, physiotherapy. Number 3, lecturer, BPS 18. Education: English, Islamic studies, business administration, chemistry, physics, math, computer science, physiotherapy. Important instructions: please see and visit BNBWU webpage www.bnbwu.edu.pk/careers for instructions regarding eligibility criteria for each position. Application form fee: application form, online form and other procedural requirements. The last date for receiving application form is 07/10/2024. No ब्रैकेट में लिखा हुआ है no extra time will be allowed for postal transit delays etc. ये फॉर्म होता है एप्लीकेशन फॉर्म और ऑनलाइन फॉर्म, ये प्रिंटिंग एरर है. कैंडिडेट्स आर expected to dispatch/submit applications ahead in time. Director Human Resource, the Begum Nusrat Bhutto Women University Sakhar. Post code 65170. 65170. Bahria University discovering knowledge and initiative of Pakistan Navy career opportunity. Bahria University invites applications for the post of Assistant Manager, Alumni and Placement Student Support Center and BUHSC Karachi. Serial number 1, position Assistant Manager, Alumni Affairs/Placement. Qualification: minimum 16 to 18 years of education in business administration, sociology, international relations or equivalent from HEC recognized university. Experience: candidates having 5 years of experience at university level, having dealt with student affairs and placement of students or relevant experience in corporate sector. Note: for more details and to download the job application form, please visit our website www.bahria.edu.pk/jobs. www.bahria.edu.pk/jobs. Pay package depending on qualification and experience shall be offered. Only shortlisted candidates meeting the requirement of the post shall be called for interview. Brief CVs along with application form (bracket में लिखा हुआ है hard copy) must reach at the address mentioned below on or before 30th September 2024. Directorate of Human Resource, Bahria University Head Office, Changrila Road, E for Even 8, Islamabad. Telephone number 0519263176. 0519263176/0519260002, 0519260002 extension 1246/2076, extension 1246/2076। अच्छा जी, ये HSN कॉलेज लाहौर की ये जॉब है इंचार्ज एक्वेस्ट्रियन सेंटर। HSN कॉलेज पाकिस्तान प्रीमियर एजुकेशनल, ये मैं आप लोगों को बता देती हूँ। इंटरेस्टेड कैंडिडेट्स शुड सेंड दियर resumes with supporting documents to hr@hsn.edu.pk by Monday, September 30, 2024। प्रिंसिपल। HSN की एक और जॉब आई हुई है, HSN कॉलेज लाहौर चाइल्ड साइकोलॉजिस्ट। वी आर seeking a compassionate and dedicated child psychologist to join our team. The ideal candidate will provide psychological services to students, collaborate with teachers and parents, and contribute towards creating a positive school climate. Interested candidates should visit the college website at www.hsn.edu.pk careers for key responsibilities, qualification requirements एंड डेडलाइंस। प्रिंसिपल। IBA की जॉब है इंस्टीट्यूट ऑफ बिजनेस एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन कराची। करियर अपॉर्चुनिटी सॉफ्टवेयर क्वालिटी एश्योरेंस इंजीनियर, सीनियर एग्जीक्यूटिव कम्युनिकेशंस एंड कंटेंट, executive communications and content. For a detailed job description, please visit our career page https://careers.iba.edu.pk. Interested candidates must apply online within 15 days from the publication date of this advertisement. The IBA Karachi is an equal opportunity employer and all applications are assessed based on merit. Differently abled individuals are also encouraged to apply. Only shortlisted candidates will be contacted for an interview. Women are encouraged to apply. Human Resources Department, Institute of Business Administration, University Road, Karachi, UN 111422 111422 अच्छा जी, ये भी डॉन संडे सितंबर 22, 2024 की जॉब से। डाउ यूनिवर्सिटी ऑफ हेल्थ साइंसेस करियर अपॉर्चुनिटीज़ इनवाइट्स एप्लीकेशन फॉर बेसिक मेडिकल साइंसेस, असिस्टेंट प्रोफेसर कम्युनिटी मेडिसिन क्लिनिकल मेडिकल साइंसेस, प्रोफेसर एंडोक्रिनोलॉजी NIDE, असिस्टेंट प्रोफेसर न्यूक्लियर मेडिसिन, बेसिक डेंटिस्ट्री, असिस्टेंट प्रोफेसर कम्युनिटी डेंटिस्ट्री क्लिनिकल डेंटिस्ट्री, प्रोफेसर ऑर्थोडोंटिक्स, नॉन टीचिंग स्टाफ, एडिशनल कंट्रोलर एग्जामिनेशन। फॉर क्वालिफिकेशन एंड एक्सपीरियंस प्लीज़ विजिट आवर वेबसाइट www.duhs.edu.pk. Only sin domiciled are eligible. Number 2 point है, please clearly mention the name of post and specialty on the right top of the envelope. Having relevant international qualifications will be given preference. Applicants should send their applications along with one photograph, one set of attested copies of relevant documents, experiences, publications, domicile and CNIC in a sealed envelope with 3 current referral letters and brief curriculum vitae. Applicant currently in government service or public sector higher education institution should apply through proper channel with copy of NOC. Incomplete applications in any manner will not be entertained. All information will be kept confidential. In case of larger number of candidates for any post, a pre-interview test MCQs will be held to shortlist the candidates. Dow University of Health Sciences reserves the right to cancel any or all application in case of larger number of candidates for any post. ये मैंने आगे पीछे कर दिया थोड़ा. A pre-interview test MCQs will be held to shortlist the candidates. Only shortlisted candidates will be called for interview. Age relaxation is subject to approval of scrutiny committee / selection board. Not EADA will be admissible. All documents and experiences will be verified, and any subsequent false or misleading documents will result into disqualification from the process / removal from service. Every application must carry a pay order of rupees 1500 non-refundable in favor of Dow University of Health Sciences, Karachi. Application form must also be fully filled online at www.duhs.edu.pk. Job applications received on and before 7/10/2024 will only be considered. Application should be sent only through courier on the following postal address given. Note: application submitted in person will not be accepted. Postal address: the Director Human Resources, Dow University of Health Sciences, बाबाई उर्दू रोड, कराची, पाकिस्तान. तो जी ये तो थी मेरी आज की वीडियो. अगर आप लोगों को मेरी वीडियो पसंद आई हो तो मेरी वीडियो को लाइक कीजिएगा और मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कीजिएगा. इस वीडियो के लिए इतना ही. अल्लाह हाफ़िज़.